Got a package, y'all. Y'all ready to see what it is? Y'all know I'm an Amazon queen. So stay tuned for the video. This leather hat. I don't want to brag. Okay, so this is the desk, y'all. It came with everything on the floor that you see. It came with instructions, because you know, we need those instructions. And it came like so secure. Look at all the padding they gave to it when they put it in the box. And it's not that heavy either. So y'all be seeing me. Hopefully when y'all see this clip again, it'll be put together. Okay, y'all. So y'all see I'm on step 2. I got my little, you know what I mean, I have my drill right there. Pinky pink. Like I'm really doing something. Home improvement for the ladies. Duty has to come over here. Okay, baby. Okay, you gotta come over here and smell everything. But this is where I'm at so far, y'all. Okay. The next will be step 3. You know me. Okay, now I'm on step 3 with my drill. Because earlier I said screwdriver. Who caught that? Nobody. Only somebody that's really paying attention. Okay. So anyways, this is all the way up there, you see. And so this is the part that I'm going to put on top of that. So you're going to see the next step when I get done with this one. This is step 4, y'all. See that? Step 4. It really didn't take that long to build, long as you follow directions. Okay, in my next step, you're going to see me adjusting the desk up and down. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all how to turn it on. And it's set on 2, 3, and 4. You can set it on however you want it to be set. So it's on 2. You see it rising? See the numbers going? And then 3. It goes up higher. So this desk is good for in case you want to do some work on your laptop. In case you didn't want to, you've been sitting down all day and you want to stand up and do stuff. This is what this is for. If you're a gamer. So when I was telling y'all about this, I'm standing up and I'm doing my work on my laptop. So I don't have to sit down. Because sometimes my back be hurting. So it's good to be able to stand. Even if I'm sitting down, it's to what I want to do. So I can stand up or sit down. And y'all know how I love to do mukbangs, right? Mukbangs, reviews, or anything dealing with sweets, food. I'm your chick. I love the fact that they send you instructions. They give you the card that I popped up on the screen. That they give you a one-on-one, like not a one-on-one video, but a video on how to put it together. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to them. The desk is worth it. Go to Amazon and get that link down below. This is a good for a Christmas gift coming up. Y'all know Christmas coming up. Black Friday sales. So what you waiting on? You might as well get it now before it be sold out. Because if people watching my videos and they see me doing mukbangs, standing up, sitting down, they wonder where I got it from. Amazon. This is a great company. And Thudi's over there making too much noise. So I'm going to link this down below in my description box. Like, I'm so pleased with the company. They give you extra tools. And they give you extra, like, I'm going to show you what they give y'all. The only thing you really need is a drill or a screwdriver. But they give you the main tools. 1, 2, 1, 2. And they give you extra in case you lose a screw. Because, you know, sometimes that happens. And this is real easy to put together, y'all. So if you want a desk like me, Queen Key 83, the link will be down below. And it ain't, I think it came in like in 2 days. If you got that Prime. I don't know if you got a regular account. I don't know how long it's going to take. But if you got Prime, it's going to take up to like 2 days to come. And don't forget to like. Y'all see my snacks in the back? Let me stop. See, I always get distracted when I do a video. That's my problem. And don't forget to like, comment, and shout out to my little brother from my hoodie. See, I'm telling you, I get distracted. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, be safe.